Well, day one in the trial of a man accused of killing an Algona police officer just wrapped up. Prosecutors started presenting their case against Kyle Rickey today.
KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is following this trial for us. And Todd, a lot of new evidence in the trial already.
Yeah, prosecutors showed new and very graphic video evidence today. They say it shows the moment Kyle Rickey opened fire, killing Officer Kevin Cram. Prosecutors say police officer Kevin Cram didn't even have time to pull his gun last September. He was serving an arrest warrant to Kyle Rickey at his Algona home. This is some of the dash cam and body cam video shown in court. First, from Cram's police car. It was dark in the yard, so it will be difficult to see what prosecutors say is video of Kyle Rickey shooting Cram multiple times. We want to warn you the audio may be disturbing. And this is the video from Officer Cram's body camera. The woman screaming is his mother, Irene. She called 911.
We need an ambulance. An officer is down. My son shot him.
Rickey sat in court wearing a dark suit Tuesday. He watched as prosecutors say he executed Officer Cram.
He never had a chance to react. Never had a chance to draw his service weapon. Ladies and gentlemen, the defendant is charged with murder in the first degree, but I submit to you that the most accurate word to use is execute. The defendant executed Officer Cram.
Rickey's defense attorney says her client is not guilty and did not mean to kill Cram.
The minutes that led up to the death of Officer Cram were not filled with malice, and they were not filled with premeditation.
But Rickey's mother, who told her son she loved him from the witness stand, admitted she saw him shoot Officer Cram.
He snapped, because that's not in his character to do something like this.
He faces life in prison. Laura?
Todd, thank you. Police say Rickey shot and killed Officer Cram in September of 2023. Cram was attempting to arrest Rickey on an outstanding warrant in Algona. Hours later, police captured Rickey about 110 miles northwest near Sleepy Eye, Minnesota. In May of this year, Rickey's attorneys filed a motion for a mental health evaluation with concerns about his ability to understand the charges against him. That motion was later withdrawn. That same month, Rickey's trial was moved from Algona to Spirit Lake after his attorneys argued they would not be able to find a fair and impartial jury there. It was then delayed due to flooding. The trial is expected to last through this week. KCCI will be covering this until a verdict is reached. For the latest updates, make sure to turn on alerts on our KCCI app.